cobble driveway in slate grey colour. You can have both a driveway and a garden at the entrance of your home. With the installation of a flag retainer, soil can be retained in your garden. Improve your home and impress your guests and neighbours. A double cobble border will add that luxurious finish. We are so confident in our workmanship. A high quality finish means no weeds, no moss and no sinking. What is your next home improvement spend? It's time to invest in a new driveway. We can blend AKO drainage, which complies with planning regulations.